KID is causing the strange death of Gorilla Tag. So now everyone's been talking about KID, but we need to talk about what it is. And I'm pretty sure you already know, so I'm gonna give you the quick rundown. It's a system that has been implemented into Gorilla Tag to make sure that everyone is above age and those people who are of age can use game chat. If you're below the age of 18, you cannot use game chat unless you have your parents verify by them sending a lot of personal information. Now, this information includes a face scan, a credit card, an ID, address, all that information that you would never ever give up online, and the same information that your parents told you to never give up yourself. Problem here with KID is that parents do not trust the system, and not even just parents, but the people in general do not trust the system. Look at the comment section of the introduction of KID. The comments are egregious. Nobody is trying to give up information to a company that they have never heard of up until recently. And this itself is killing communication in a game that was literally built around communication and being a gorilla. Now, the next thing we have to focus on is the community response. What did the community think about this update? Well, just take a look.
And then people are pretty upset about this.
Basically,
KI
what I mean
because
is if there's no more going into public lobbies trolling or having fun in public lobbies for a video or something, or getting, random,
I mean, bro, the people hate it, man. And I don't even play Gorilla Tag, and I'm also not in favor of this brand new KID system. You're 17, you can drive, but you can't talk to strangers online on a Gorilla game, on a headset. Now, there are many reasons as to why people don't like KID. Here are some points from this Reddit post that I will link in the description down below. Now, first, they say KID is extremely sketchy. There are a bunch of reasons for that. You can read it. Then they say that the data will be stored. And finally, the post talks about how parents will definitely not trust this. But is there hope? So I want to talk about what is KID actually. If you want to read this for yourself and get into the specifics, it will be in the description down below. But long story short, this Reddit post answers a few questions. So with the credit card thing, apparently KID only takes a penny that's refundable. I mean, I'm rich enough to donate a penny and they can keep it. You don't have to give it back. Secondly, KID will delete your information once they're done with it. This is the part that people have a problem with because they're not sure if like this company will actually delete the data. Like they could really just run off with it. But apparently they do. Gorilla Tag will not be 18 plus. This game has never been 18 plus to begin with, and it will not be in the future. Regardless of what KID does, people still don't trust it. People still don't like it. People still don't even want to see it in their Gorilla Tag. Why is everybody still hating KID? Well, let me tell you something. It gets worse, okay? Because if KID is successful in Gorilla Tag, what does that mean for other games? It might be successful in VR chat. They might implement a Rec Room. They might implement a Population 1 into Veil, and then your freedom is going to be stripped. Everyone's going to be complaining about it. The Quest will be no more, and it will turn into a drought of a headset. And VR is already slowing down. So imagine how much more this KID damage could do to the Quest. So what's next? What's after this? Low-key, I have no idea. Is KID going to disappear because of the hate? Probably not. People hope so, but it seems like it's going to stay for now. Apparently, you get 500 shiny rocks if you sign up for it, so I guess everyone's outraged, clearly. I'm no Gorilla Tag player. I'm just here to report the news in a very entertaining fashion. So if you guys enjoyed the video, let me know. Let me know what you think of KID, and if you rock with it. If there's anyone who actually rocks with it, let me know, because I'm genuinely curious. I've just seen nothing but hate for this thing, so